Whakalofa tu mākou. Ke monuina tau whao. Happy New Year. We're in the New Year's now. It's January 2024. It's the 4th. I'm here at a English church again, out in Otahu. I got a message saying that there was a team from Niue come to talk about traditional values and climate change. So I'm here with my son. We got our blue shirts on. Yeah, just gonna come check it out. Not sure what to expect. Just gotta do my son's buttons. But yeah, looking forward to see what the Niue people got to say. Be interesting to see if it's in Wangahau Niue or Wangahau Palangi. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know if I can record in there, but yeah, first video for the new year. Okay. Also, shout out to Elaine, Moana, Lee Makavani for doing the shout outs, and Mr. or Mrs. Amu Ongosia. Want to get in shape, eh? Okay. We have to get in contact and see what we can do. Okay.
Be strong and brave. Be strong and brave, because you will lead these people. You guys will be leading. Very soon some of you will become officers, and you will be leading your groups, and you will lead other young ones. Trying to make connection. Kekisia itu pemayan. Sebenarnya adalah ia kemampuan kemampuan New Zealand. Setelah mahal kemampuan itu for 3 minutes past 11. Kita tuan mulai dia berdoa dengan kopi. Girls Brigade.
Wow. Just went in. It was actually the Niue Girls Brigade that came. There was a couple of them, and I think most of them were teenagers, and they're on their way down to Wellington to do some work down there. But it was interesting. We all had to introduce ourselves. Wasn't ready for that. Forgot a lot of the names. Yeah, and because they were just, yeah, I don't know. But now it was a good day. A lot of the speeches were done in Wangahau Niue, and it was good. You know, just tuning my ears into the language, hearing different accents. Yeah. Caught up some people that usually come to these events. Sina, Panama, Inga, Hey, who did the harekeke, and I forget her name. Lavakula. Yeah. No, yeah, but we had to leave early. I gotta go to work, so I gotta go drop my son off and pick someone up. But yeah, another good event. Whakulahi Inga. Shout out to you, Inga, for opening up your church again for these events, and to the Niue Girls Brigade for coming over and sharing what they do. Thank you to you guys. It was good to see you. Didn't get to meet you, but good to hear you guys introduce yourself, say where your village was, and just tell us a little bit about what you guys do in Niue. And to the tutors, to the matuas, yeah, all of you, it's good catching up. So yeah, a bit of a short video today because I didn't get to stay for the whole thing, but I'm glad that I was able to be here for the introductions. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Until the next video, koe kia.